If you're looking for a brutally honest take on ShowMeMoney AI, the just released AI software everyone's suddenly talking about, this is the one video you need. Stick around because what I discovered after testing it may surprise you, and I'll share exactly what you need to know before jumping in. You can actually try ShowMeMoney AI for completely free right now from the first link below. No credit card, no strings. But before you do, let me give you a breakdown of what this tool actually does, how it stacks up to other tools I've tested, and why it might be the smartest AI you've never heard of. Yet. So, what is ShowMeMoney AI? At its core, it's a multifunctional AI assistant built for marketers, entrepreneurs, and creators who want results fast. It combines content generation, ad copy creation, offer testing, landing page prompts, and even sales email sequencing. That's right, this isn't just a ChatGPT clone. It's trained to help make you money, not just spit out paragraphs. The UI is clean and simple, almost too simple, but that's the point. You're not digging through menus for features. Everything's streamlined. You open the dashboard, tell it what you're selling or promoting, and it gets to work. I gave it a test using a real affiliate offer, and the results were shockingly solid. The landing page prompt it gave me needed maybe 10% editing before going live. That alone saved me hours. Now here's where ShowMeMoney AI stands out. Conversion-focused outputs. Most AI tools generate generic, fluffy content. This one understands frameworks like AIDA, PAES, and knows how to craft hooks that sell. It's not just about sounding good, it's about sounding like money. It also comes with built-in analysis tools that predict how your message might perform based on structure and tone. That's rare. Most AIs don't care what happens after generation. This one does. It wants you to get clicks, conversions, and commissions. One thing to be aware of, it's not a full-on funnel builder or CRM. It won't replace ClickFunnels or go high level, but it will help you feed those platforms with way better assets faster. The prompts are pre-trained for real-world offers. So even if you're new to copywriting or marketing, you can sound like a pro without paying one. I've tested thousands of AI tools over the last year, and very few are focused this directly on ROI from day one. Here's the open loop I promised earlier. Toward the end of my testing, I discovered one feature hidden in the tool that's basically a secret weapon for anyone running paid traffic. I'll just say this. If you've ever run Facebook ads and struggled with getting past ad review or scaling offers, this tool knows something that most marketers don't. So if you're even mildly curious about making money online with AI, this one's worth checking out. Try ShowMeMoney AI for free with the link below. Get in before it goes paid. And if you're looking for more tools like this, I've listed my top recommended AI software, all tested, all free to start, in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are the few I actually use.